Okay, so I had a whole plan for today.
And
It's 8 p.m. I don't even know where the time went.
you do know, you just don't want to say it.
The phone.
Yeah, here's the thing nobody wants to hear. You're not killing time. Time is killing you.
Wait, say that again?
You think you're wasting time like it's yours to waste. But time doesn't stop. It doesn't wait. Every hour that goes, it's gone. For real, gone.
That's kind of terrifying.
It is, but most people don't feel it now. Because right now there's something to scroll, something to watch, something comfortable to do instead.
Okay, that's literally me today.
That's everyone. And the worst part is, comfort feels fine. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't feel like a mistake.
That's why it's hard to stop.
Exactly. The most dangerous trap is the life that feels comfortable enough to keep repeating.
Oh,
You wake up, do the same things, sleep, repeat. And every day feels okay. Not bad, just okay.
yeah, not bad enough to change.
Right, but comfort is expensive when it costs you your future.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't until it's too late.
So, what do people do instead? Just force themselves?
No, that's not the problem. The problem is waiting.
Waiting for what?
For the right moment, for motivation, for ready. But you were not waiting for the right time. You were waiting to feel safe.
Okay, that one hurt.
Because it's true. You keep saying, later, when I'm ready, when things are better. But ready is not a feeling, it's a decision.
So you just decide?
You just start. Messy, scared, not ready. You start anyway.
Even if it goes wrong?
Even if it goes wrong. Because doing something badly is still better than doing nothing perfectly.
Doing nothing perfectly. Yeah, I'm very good at that.
Here's another thing. Think about the people you compare yourself to.
Oh no.
You open your phone, someone has a better life, better English, more views, more likes, more everything. And you think, why not me? What's wrong with me?
Every single morning.
But you're comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel.
Meaning,
You see 15 seconds of their life. You don't see the failures, the bad days, the nights they wanted to quit. You just see the good part and compare it to your whole day.
that's really unfair to yourself.
Very unfair. Your race is not with them, it's with who you were yesterday.
That's actually something I can act on.
That's the only race worth running.
Okay, but what if you've already wasted so much time? Like, what if you feel behind?
Behind who?
I don't know, just behind.
That feeling is real, but it's not the truth. Most people don't lose their dreams in one big failure. They lose them by repeating the same day until it feels normal, until they forget they ever wanted something different.
That's the scariest thing.
Yeah, because there's no moment where you decide to give up. You just repeat, and one day you stop asking,
Stop asking what?
is this really the life I want?
I still ask that almost every day.
Then you're not gone yet. That question is still alive. That means something.
So, what do you actually do? Like, practically?
Okay, first, stop waiting for someone to believe in you. Nobody is coming to save you. That's the bad news.
Great, thanks.
And the freedom.
Wait, the freedom?
If nobody's coming, you stop waiting. You stop asking for permission. You stop needing approval. You just build quietly for yourself.
Okay, that actually feels lighter.
Right? The moment you stop waiting, something changes. You move differently. You think differently. Because now it's yours. Nobody gave it to you. You picked it.
Pick yourself.
Pick yourself every day.
Okay, I really have to go. But I came here stressed about wasting one day, and now I'm stressed about wasting my whole life.
Sorry,
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. But here's the last thing. You don't fix your whole life today. You just don't repeat yesterday. That's it. That's the whole thing.
Don't repeat yesterday.
One day different than another.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
I know you can.
See ya.
See ya.